In this video, we'll be going over Matalas, trumpet 2. Same thing as in tutorial 1 for Matalas for trumpet 1. We're going to be adding some notes here. I'm going to be adding a B and an A. So here we go. Again, it's going to go ta 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 ta, and let's be at it. So here we go. 1, 2, 1. And again, for the 16 notes, you're going taka, taka, not tata, taka, 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 ta. And the tongue should be ricocheting back from the back of your teeth. Next phrase, it's going to go ta 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 ta. Okay, it's going to go 1, 2, 1. The next one, we're going to be going C A A A C. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 1. Same thing that we did for this part and this phrase, we will be doing for here. We're going to be going 2, 1. Next part. Ta 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 ta. 2, 1. Next part. Ta 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 ta, because we have slurs. So here we go. 1, 2. Next phrase. 2, 1. Next phrase. 2, 1. And the next the ending. Ta 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 ta. And it's dots on the bottom, so they're staccato, short and sweet. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. And that's it.